So what would a responsible adult have in their estate plan? The first thing is a will. A will alone is not enough because it does not avoid probate, but it is the foundation stone of any estate plan. The will indicates who you want your assets to go to. It indicates who you want to administer that. And it does have a list of instructions. They're for the courts, so it's designed for probate, but it does have a lot of freedom in there for the executor, that if there was not a will, the executor would have further obligations and have to pay more bonds for the court. So a will is definitely a good starting point, but it is only the beginning, because as I said, a will alone does not avoid probate. What we want along with that will is some kind of a trust, either a residential trust, which if your principal asset is your home and you're comfortable adding maybe your beneficiaries as beneficiaries on your account, not co-owners, then maybe a residential trust would be enough for you to avoid probate. But you've got to get that home deeded into a residential trust. You can do it standalone, you can do it with the bank, but you've got to get it taken care of while you're competent and able to do so. And then your home will go privately and quickly to whom you want it to go after you pass. A very, very typical kind of trust that we often put along with a will is the living trust. And some of you have one, some of you may have heard of it. This is really like a treasure chest where we put in your home. If you have property out of state, we can get that in there. We can retitle your assets, we can name the trust as beneficiary in some of your accounts, and we can get everything taken care of so that you never have to be concerned about the public or the expensive nature of probate after death. I'll talk a little bit more about the living trust after we've gone through these other documents.